Good morning. I've already trying to get my shoes on. I've already had a really busy morning. I put the chili in the kettle, so it has been going for a couple hours now, so it's almost done. It's 11 o'clock right now. I put yesterday's vlog up, and I had a few people buy me a coffee through my new Ko-Fi thing, so thank you guys so much. That was really exciting to see those come through. Ooh. And then I put my update up, or not really an update, but my pre-order list up, and now I'm popping popcorn to make caramel corn. So this is the popcorn popper we use, and it is amazing. You don't put any oil or anything in it. You just pour the popcorn kernels in. It's silicone. It gets really hot though, so be careful. And then whoop, you put this lid on over the top. It's also just silicone lid, and put it in the microwave, and it works perfectly every time. We really like it. So I know this has been the most boring and short vlog ever. In fact, I'm gonna combine them into just one weekend vlog. Yesterday was really nice, and it was so nice that I didn't record anything, so I'm sorry about that. But we had a really good time. All of the food that you saw me make tasted really good. Everyone liked it. And took it home even, so that's nice. So we didn't bring more than just a few cookies home left over. And now basically today we've just been resting all day, as we tried to do on Sundays anyway. So I slept in this morning and have spent most of the day knitting on these socks. I think the last time I recorded them I was working on the heel flap, but now I'm right at the beginning of the gusset. And I'm watching Vlogmas. I think this one that I'm watching now is a homespun house. I mean, I know it's a homespun house, but I think it's 2018. Does anyone else get really sad on Vlogmases whenever you watch them cut down the Christmas tree? I think I'm weird, but I always get really sad whenever a Christmas tree is cut down. I did tell you I was tired. We had just a quick supper tonight. We had sauteed broccoli and mashed potatoes and gravy again, because that's what I was wanting. And basically I've just been a lap for the cats all day. I've had Siri for an hour and then Woody for an hour, and then I would get up and do something, and then as soon as I sit down a cat would want me again. We have stuff ready for the kids for school. They woke up this morning and you would have thought it was Christmas morning. They were so, or they are so excited. They were excited to wake up because it was the day before they went to school, and then they're excited to go to bed because when they wake up they get to go to school. So they are so excited. Everything is ready except for, of course, their lunches. And yeah, I think it's going to be a little bit of an adjustment to waking up with an alarm for the first time in 8 months since March. Anyway, I'm going to keep knitting, watching Vlogmas, and if I get bored watching Vlogmas I'll switch to Vlogtober. So yeah, just vlogs. But I hope you guys all had a really good weekend, and tomorrow I will start opening my, because tomorrow's the 19th, which means from tomorrow to Halloween I will be opening an advent package every day from the advent that I did last month sometime and shipped it last month. So there weren't very many of them, but they did all sell, so thank you guys so much, those that were able to purchase them. And yeah, I'll definitely be doing those again next year. But yeah, we get to start opening them tomorrow. It's gonna be a weird week. It's probably gonna take a little while to get used to it, but I will see all of you guys tomorrow.